Prosser Open House for 2021 is going to look different than any other open house we've had at Prosser. Traditionally, we have it in person, and we allow our families, potential families from the region, and students to come in and explore. So obviously, with this year due to COVID, we've had to adapt and think outside the box. So this year, we're going to have Go Prosser Week, and we are going to be very intentional. Each day, the 19th through the 22nd of January, we are going to highlight career programs and also offer a live question-answer session each evening via Google Meet, where parents and students can access that link and ask questions from the instructors.
So the thought process behind this was, obviously we wish kids could be here to see what the building is like. There's nothing like being here, being in the labs, and really getting to have that full immersion in this building and in those experiences. So since we can't do that, we were really just trying to figure out a way for students to feel connected to Prosser. So the live Q&A felt like a great way for not just future students, but those parents also to really get to know our teachers, what they're trying to do to better students, better our community. It also makes parents feel better knowing that they get to have that interaction with our teachers. So really it was just about establishing an interaction that felt true to life instead of just watching a video. So yeah, we'll have those videos there, but we really wanted students and parents to have the ability to connect with our teachers.
Again, with COVID, we'd have to adapt. Typically, we would have had in-person presentations, tours, and everything has been switched to virtual. But what we know that happens inside these doors, we want to get out to our community.
Each one of our programs is going to have a video, and it has a basic overview. They're only about 2 to 3 minutes. We wanted to keep them short and sweet. And so our teachers are just going to go over what the program, the content of that program, what students will learn in that course. Also, if there are dual credits, what are those dual credits? What are the certifications that they might earn in that program? And then also, we talk a lot about the work-based learning opportunities. So job shadowing, internships. We just wanted to make sure that each program covers those basics so that parents and students have an idea of types of questions they might want to ask in that live Q&A.
Although this is a new experience for us, going virtual and promoting all the program offerings, we feel very competent and confident with what we're doing and what we have planned. At any time, we encourage our families and our potential students to reach out to our Student Services Department